Good morning to all. I am Muthuchelvi, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Now I am going to discuss about the topic of understanding e-CRM and online services. First, we discuss about the introduction part. Electronic customer relationship management emphasize the importance of enhancing customer interactions through digital platforms. The presentation will develop into the critical role for e-CRM plays in e-business, highlighting the numerous benefits such as improved customer satisfaction and loyalty. We are discussing the challenges of business faced in its implementation. We will explore the emerging trends that will shape the future of e-CRM and online services in the evaluating digital landscapes. What is meant by e-CRM? E-CRM means electronic customer relationship management. It integrates the technology and business strategies to manage customer relationship through digital channels. The benefits of e-CRM is the components include the data management, customer services, marketing automation, and the technologies and analytics. Next one, benefits of ECRM. First benefit is enhanced customer insights. ECRM systems provides valuable data analytics, helping business understand uh, uh, customer needs and offering according to the improved satisfaction. Next benefit is improved communication. Automated communication tools ensure timely response to customer inquiries, creating a responsive customer experience that build the trust. Third benefit is increased efficiency. By streaming process through automation, ECRM reduces the operational cost and allow terms to focus on strategic initiatives uh, bund- rather than the tasks. Next one, importance of ECRM. That is, enhances the communication, fosters loyalty, and drives sales by understanding the customer satisfaction and customer preferences. They have to focus on the customer needs and preferences, what they like and what do not like. They have to identify and they have to satisfy the needs and preference of the customers through the CRM management process. Next, challenges in implementing the CRM. First one is data privacy concerns. The data privacy concerns, that is many major challenges faced by the management. Increased data collections comes the responsibility of ensuring customers' data is protected, leading the complaints issues and the trust challenges. Second challenges is integration with the existing systems. Business often face difficulties integrating CRM solutions with legacy systems with smooth transactions the digital to the digital platforms. Next one is user adoptions. They have to change many employees and the successful implementation of CRM necessitating effective training and challenges management strategies. They have to they have to adopt new adoption technologies and give the training to the employees. Then only we have to satisfy the customers. Next one is future trends in CRM. AI and machine learning tools. It is enhanced customer interactions through personalized recommendations and the predictive analytics. Then omni-channel strategies. creating seamless customer experience by integrating social media and emails in store interactions. Mobile CRM solutions enables business to enhance customers anytime, anywhere with mobile friendly solutions. Then over outlook of the CRM, innovative technologies and customer centric approaches will be essential for leveraging in full potentials of e-CRM. We have to adopt the AI tools. We have to improve their CRM process in future. Thank you.